أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. Mard-e-Momin Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab is a true Islamic scholar of Din Islam. He has served Din Islam. He has been preaching Din Islam for about 15 years on his YouTube channel. He's an international Islamic speaker. Mard-e-Momin Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab is an international Islamic speaker. People from all over the world, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Kashmir, Canada, England, America, Australia, people from all over the world watch and listen the Islamic videos of Mard-e-Momin Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. But right now in Pakistan, some Maulvi Sahiban, they are putting allegations of gustakhi against Mard-e-Momin Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. A person who has been preaching Deen Islam for the last 15 years on his YouTube channel, and he has been preaching Deen Islam since his matric or inter. But on YouTube, he has been preaching Din Islam for the last 15 years. A person who is a God-oriented person, who is an honest Islamic scholar, who loves Allah Ta'ala Rabbul Izzat Almighty, who loves Akhri Nabi Khatamun Nabiyyin Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who loves Ahle Bayt, who loves Khulfa Rashideen, who loves Sahaba Ikram Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhum Ajma'in, who loves Ahle Bayt Alayhum Assalam. And he is such a great scholar who has been preaching Deen Islam with full dedication and devotion. He even left his government job for preaching Deen Islam. And nowadays, some Maulvi Sahiban, they are putting allegations of gustakhi against Mard-e-Momin Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. He is such a great person. He is a totally God-oriented person. He is doing everything for his akhirat, for his house in Jannat. And I believe that he loves Nabi Pak Khatamun Nabiyyin Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam more than anyone in Pakistan. He loves Nabi Pak Khatamun Nabiyyin Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam more than any Maulvi in Pakistan. He is a true follower and a true lover of Khatamun Nabiyyin Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And Allah Almighty has blessed him with great capabilities. Allah Almighty has blessed Mard-e-Momin Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab with a great brain. There is a शेर ऑफ हजरत इलामा इकबाल रहमतुल्लाह अलैह कि हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती रही, बड़ी मुश्किल से पैदा होता है चमन में दीदावर, बड़ी मुश्किल से पैदा होता है चमन में दीदावर. तो Muslims came in subcontinent about 1300 years ago. Muslims have been living in subcontinent for about 1300 years ago. And I am saying that Engineer Saab is really blessed because Allah Almighty has blessed him with great knowledge of Islam. He is a true muballigh, a true honest preacher of Deen Islam. Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab is a great personality. He's a God-oriented and a God-fearing person. Muslims came in subcontinent for about 1300 years ago. And for 1300 years ago, Muslims have been living in the subcontinent, which is now Afghanistan, Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan. For 1300 years, we did not see any Islamic or religious scholar who was capable of giving references of Ayat Mubarakah of Quran Hakim, Quran Majid in his bayanats, in his Islamic sermons. We did not see any such Islamic scholar except Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. And Allah Almighty has blessed him with knowledge of Hadith Mubarakah. In his every bayan, in his every Islamic video, he puts references of all the books of Hadith Mubarakah. Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Jami' Tirmizi, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan Nasa'i, Sunan Ibn Majah, Muwatta Imam Malik, Mustadrak al-Hakim, Musnad Ahmad. He even shows the Hadith Mubarakah on screen in his Islamic video lectures. He's such a great Islamic scholar. They are books of all Islamic scholars. They are the Islamic scholars who have lived in subcontinent. Many of them have written books. And even, it is my challenge, read their books. Read the books of all the Islamic scholars of subcontinent. You won't find references of Ayat Mubarakah. You won't find references of Hadith Mubarakah, books of Hadith Mubarakah in their religious sermons. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab is a really blessed Islamic scholar. Allah Almighty has opened the doors of knowledge on Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. He is a really blessed Islamic scholar. And nowadays, some Maulvis, they are putting allegations of Gustakhi against Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. They should fear God, they should fear Allah Almighty, they should remember Roze Qiyamah, Roze Akhirat, and they should help out engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab in the tabligh of Deen Islam. Instead, they are dragging his legs, if they cannot help engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab, instead they should let him preach Deen Islam peacefully. This is my request to all the Maulvi Sahiban who are against engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab at the moment, that if you cannot help engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab in preaching Deen Islam, then at least you should let him preach Deen Islam peacefully. So, and I request the authorities that Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab is in detention since 25th of August 2025. It has been 35 days that he is in custody, is in detention, he is in jail. So he is an international Islamic speaker. He has been serving Deen Islam as a muballigh for the last 15 years on YouTube for the last 15 years, and he has been serving Deen Islam as a muballigh for about more than 20, 25, 30 years. He has been serving Deen Islam since his childhood. He's a neck, parhezgar, pious, parsa person since his childhood. So, the authorities should look into the matter and they should release Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. He's in jail and it is hurting millions of people. Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab has about 3.2 million followers on his one YouTube channel. He has 3.2 million followers, about 3.2 million followers on his one YouTube channel. And he has two YouTube channels, one for uh, uh, Tafsir of Quran Hakim. He also has about, I think, maybe 1 million channel on that Tafsir channel. 1 million followers on that Tafsir channel. So the authorities should look into the matter and they should release Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab. He's such a great person, he's such a great personality, and now people want to see him preach again. And I pray that Allah Almighty always and always protect and bless Marde Momin engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza Sahab.